Hi, this is Dr. Rebecca Wood, and I would like to welcome you to our Week 1 lecture for English 1505, The Process of Composition. The process of composition as a class is designed to help everyone better understand the methods and characteristics of powerful and persuasive writing at the college level and beyond. By learning and then employing basic strategies of effective communication, composition, and process, we will become more comfortable with communicating and composing writing across various genres. Students will explore the intricacies of the composition process, including pre-writing, brainstorming, outlining, to final editing, along with sentence and paragraph organization, grammar, and mechanics as needed. At the end of this course, students should be able to produce effective writing in any major and will be prepared to continue on to English 2005. Class will be conducted 100% online through Blackboard. Lectures will be posted in both YouTube video and PowerPoint format so that you can read the lecture at your own pace if you desire. Please read your syllabus carefully and post your introduction to the class on the discussion board as soon as possible. And please check your SLU email daily for important updates about our class. Each week we'll have at least one YouTube video to view to enhance our learning experience. At the end of this course, students should demonstrate your knowledge of writing, especially as it relates to focusing on a specific purpose and situation, developing ideas, responding to different audience needs because each audience is interested in different things, and using appropriate format and organization. Your ability to integrate critical thinking, reading, and writing, especially as related to inquiry, thinking, communicating, and seeing the relationships among language, knowledge, and power, and your basic knowledge of information literacy and the ability to evaluate and document sources. So we will be doing some documentation as we wrap up this class so that you'll be better prepared for English 2005. At the end of this course, students will demonstrate competency in the writing process, including awareness of the need for multiple drafts. So we will be doing our papers in steps and not trying to cough them up as one finished document. Flexible strategies for generating, revising, editing, and proofreading work both individually and collaboratively through peer review, and the willingness to consider writing to be a process that is always open to revision. And knowledge of writing conventions, emphasizing common formats, genre conventions, APA-style documentation, and citation, as well as competence and correctness in syntax, grammar, spelling, punctuation, and usage. For a successful class, please read the course syllabus and the course schedule and calendar carefully. Post any questions you may have on the question and answer discussion forum in Blackboard, or you may send me an email if you have a more private question about our class at rebeccawood@slu.edu. Please check out your entire Week 1 weekly module in Blackboard, especially the assignments folder, and you should do that each week. You want to make sure you don't miss anything. And please post your introduction to the class and your Week 1 discussion board initial posts on Blackboard by the due date on the course schedule/calendar. Students will be expected to participate regularly on the Blackboard discussion board and to complete your paper assignments by the deadlines in our course schedule/calendar. This week's reading assignments are chapters 1 through 4 of the Little Penguin Handbook and pages 1 through 25 in the student essay in the River Reader. A writing assignment from work or school is the primary reason a majority of people write. So why are we writing? When we receive that writing assignment, we begin decoding it. What do we really have to do to complete the assignment successfully? Our practical purpose is finishing the assignment appropriately and by the deadline and getting our college credit or, of course, our work done at the job. Even if you're writing an assignment for work or school, you must still find a personal purpose or reason for that assignment. What does it mean to you? If you are writing about a topic that is interesting to you in some way, it will also be interesting to your audience. When you write, your number one goal is delivering a clear, understandable message to your audience. It is necessary for you to understand your message and the reason you're delivering it in order to communicate successfully to your audience. So your assignment might be to write an SOP, a standard operating procedure for work, so that new employees can complete their work successfully and experienced employees can use it as a reference. That assignment would eventually benefit you personally, especially if you are responsible for training new employees. That assignment could also benefit you by allowing you to showcase your knowledge and skills. Anytime you write an impressive document for work, you have impressed your coworkers and supervisors. And when writing to instruct, use clear, brief, understandable instructions. Add illustrations or screenshots if possible. One of the most interesting and challenging reasons to write is to persuade our audience that our viewpoint on an important topic is valid. We might even change our audience's viewpoint. Persuasive writing includes marketing, political debate, and academic writing in which we argue our point of view on a topic of importance. For example, if you have strong feelings about the value of education, you could write a paper expressing those feelings in a way that could persuade your audience to agree with your point of view. As you continue your academic career, you will be writing research papers which allow you to include material from sources to strengthen your own argument and to inform your audience. When you use material from research material, it is necessary to document that information carefully and accurately so that you can give proper credit to your sources. The Purdue University Online Writing Lab is a terrific resource for information about how to document material from research. And here's an example of the Purdue Online Writing Lab's website. So you can contact me at any time if you have any questions. I'm afraid I won't be answering questions probably in the middle of the night, but you can leave me a voicemail or text me on my cell phone, or you can email me at rebecca.wood@slu.edu. And I do answer my email at least twice a day, and I have office hours by appointment if we want to arrange that. I hope you all have a wonderful week and welcome to our class. Thank you. Bye-bye.